Hi you guys, how are you doing today? I just gonna say that we're working on the boat once again.
Okay, so we're back at the boat this week and Todd got the track. Let's see. He got the track off of the broken part and we had some requests to see what was broken and how it was broken. This boat went through a hurricane and part of the tow rail where it was put together, this area right here, broke when another boat hit it. And so we've got it in several pieces of brokenness. So what are you working on today, Katie?
I'm getting all the glue off of where we took the vinyl off right here. Looks like the stuff like, you know when like a pee diaper breaks and there's like all that little like gross stuff in it? That's what it looks like. And it's yellow too. So that is all of the glue. Little pieces of glue everywhere.
So what are you working on, Abigail?
Trying to untangle this rope.
Untangle the rope.
I'm doing that cookie.
And what's that?
Roll this on the rope.
So we just finished caulking all of the inside over here and it looks pretty good all the way across. Looks way better than before.
These look like they're lag bolts.
This one's bent, I can't get around it. This one needs an open-ended wrench, dear. Okay, so we have to take this off to fix this tow rail. And what we're discovering is these are not through bolted. They're like 1.5 inch screws into the deck. So what that means is if I fall on this in a storm, it's not going to catch my weight. So that's a challenge.
I'm going to see. Gabe! Dad wants you. Yeah, he also needs a drill. The drill. Katie, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm looking at Sabrina's Facebook page for a picture of something.
Her YouTube channel.
Subscribe!
Go see what Dad and Gabe doing. He maybe come all the way up. Yeah, he did. Whoa! We have to come here every morning. And like every single day. So 18 more days to start Christmas Eve. You see what they did? Dad, what are you doing?
Sucking on a drill bit. I'm working.
What kind of work?
Drilling holes in our tow rail. Bring me my drill, Gabe.
Hey, Dad. What time is it?
Daytime?
Well, Dad,
What?
when are we leaving?
Not until tonight.
4 hours?
4 hours. 4 hours of you walking around with a camera. More than we can take. All right, I gotta go back to work.
And
Where's Gabe?
I don't know. Okay. Going to get Gabe. Okay. Guess what? Dad needs you. Haha. Dad. What are you doing?
I need you, babe.
Not me. You need Gabe.
I need Gabe.
I'm down there.
Working, what are you doing?
That's up here. We're rocked in for 4 hours. I just want to watch you guys work.
You do, huh? Okay, watch us work.
So Dad's working, that's so you know, guys. What are you doing? Drilling holes?
Yep. What are you doing?
Showing them.
Oh.
As you know, this is really smooth.
One in there. I need to get
So get me one of in the sink in there are some of those pads that I was cleaning these with. You know, the red and green.
Hi, Liberty.
I got the karma bag. And Foxy and mistletoe.
Are you with my mother?
Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go film Dad, what he's doing. Goodness gracious, this is right out here. Daddy, are you trying to fall off?
Am I trying to fall off? I'm trying not to fall off.
What are you doing?
Filling the holes
Why?
so they don't leak anymore, so I can drill new ones when I'm ready.
When are you gonna be ready?
I don't know. That is the big question right there.
Are you cold? Liberty's cold. Liberty, are you cold?
Not really. Not anymore.
Give me a kiss.
I'm the only one working outside.
He doesn't love me.
I'll give you a kiss.
He'll give me a kiss. Aw, I'll give you a kiss. Mwah, okay.
Mwah.
Love you.
I love you too.
How many layers do you have on, Gabe? Don't they have 3? I have 6 layers on. I have this one, and this one, and this one, and my shirt. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I only have 5. I can't count. Because my bra counts as 1. I'm not sure if that's like okay to say on the internet. I don't know why I wouldn't. It's just a bra. Right?
I have 4.
You only have 4? Why do I have more than literally everyone else?
2, 3, 4. I have nothing else. Except for my pants and my tights, that would make 7. No, 6. And that it can.
Clean, then we did this. We got
It's
tools,
box organizer.
electrical, paint, I can't read, just miscellaneous, plumbing, scraping and cleaning tools, screws, etc., fittings, and this one down here is hose clamps. Liberty,
What?
how cold do you think it is out there?
1 degrees.
Teak, how cold do you think it is?
Like 50.
50? Alright. Go to the phone here. Go. Weather.
How good do you think it is?
Loading. I think it's probably like maybe like 60. 59. Should we see what it feels like? Feels like 56. But the wind is 14 miles an hour wind. So I think we're all just weak now.
Nope, I'm not.
It would be good if it wasn't so windy.
Hi you guys, I'm laying down now because I'm kind of tired. Mom and Dad woke me up today and it's really early. But we have Achievement Day girls tonight and I'm super excited. We're having a party and doing a Christmas sock gift exchange. What are you doing, lady?
Banding.
Okay. Mommy, what are you doing? Have a camera.
I am sanding the tow rail.
Daddy, tell everybody what you're doing.
I'm cleaning the caulking out from underneath the tow rail and chipping off some of the vinyl or the old varnish.
You want to smell that?
Sure. So, the old varnish behind there, and I'm getting the caulking out of here.
What are you looking for, Liberty?
A pry bar thingy.
I'm looking for a bit. Oh my gosh, I look bald. Hold on just a sec. Gotta make myself look not so bald. Nope, still look bald. It's okay. Got the screw gun. Then I gotta go find a bit. It's okay, there's no bit. It's not gonna do anything.
This is a bit.
We're racing the weather to get the boat caulked and the tow joint sealed up, and hopefully that will keep some of the water that comes down the walls out of the boat. We think that that's the problem, so this will be the deciding factor to know if that's what's happening or not. So let's watch Todd do the finishing touches. How's it going?
Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm happy.
It stopped raining?
Yeah, it's not raining. Yeah, the caulk line looks good. If the side of the boat looked good, it would be nice, but
So there's the caulk, and it looks good, but we've got to fix all of this stuff still. So for the record, I did the caulk on the inside joint 2 days ago, and my hands still hurt. Like, that is some crazy action that you got to do to run that caulking gun.
if you grew up on a dairy farm and you had to milk a cow all the time, you'd be able to run a caulking gun. Of course, I didn't grow up on a dairy farm, but I did milk cows and goats. That is another story. Things you don't know about Todd.
Hey, Liberty.
What?
Why is Peter Pan always flying?
I don't know.
Because he can never land. Ha ha ha! I love that joke because it never never gets old.
So how's it coming?
Well, it's coming. It's cold, and so the epoxy is going to take longer to set up than if it was 80 degrees outside. Okay, so I got the joint done right now, and it's kind of being held together by some screws and the clamps until the epoxy cures, which says 1 to 4 days. So 1 to 4 days makes me wonder how long before I should do the other side, because I don't want to break the joint free. It's been kind of cool. It's about 60, what would you say it was? You said it was 70 degrees, right?
Yeah.
70 degrees, but the wind is blowing and it's been hitting the 50s overnight, and so the epoxy is just taking a while, and I don't want to break the epoxy. It's also supposed to rain tomorrow, so I think what we'll do is probably wait until Saturday.
It's supposed to rain all day Saturday too.
It's supposed to rain on Saturday too?
Yep.
Well, then maybe we'll just punt.
That kind of takes us through this week. If you want to see how Todd steamed our tow rail to get a little bit of a curve into it, be sure to check out the Tuesday post that we're going to share. That is Todd's Technical Tuesdays. We're posting those on Tuesdays, little snippets about how Todd is doing some of the more technical things. So if you like what we're doing on this video, give us a like, subscribe so that you get notified of when we are putting up new videos, which should be every Sunday. And now Todd's doing Technical Tuesdays, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye. It's time to go home. I gotta go down the ladder. We gotta put the ladders, tie the ladders up, put a lock on them. Packed up all the tools. And it's time to go home and start dinner and maybe have date night. Woohoo! Should we have date night?
That would be so awesome.